African elephants are big animals. They have large bodies and long legs. They live in Africa, where there's a lot of land for them to walk. They need space. There are two kinds of African elephants. One kind is the bush elephant. The other kind is the forest elephant. Bush elephants are bigger than forest elephants. Elephants eat plants. They do not eat meat. They eat grass, leaves, and small branches. Their bodies need a lot of food every day to stay strong and healthy. Elephants have gray skin. Their skin helps them stay cool in the hot sun. They also like to take mud baths. Mud helps protect their skin from the sun and bugs. Bush elephants have bigger ears than forest elephants. Their ears help them stay cool. They move their ears to make wind. This helps lower their body temperature. Elephants live in different places in Africa. Some live in forests, and some live in open grasslands. They need water to drink and food to eat every day to survive. Elephants have big ears. Their ears help them stay cool. They also have a long nose. This nose is called a trunk. The trunk is very strong and useful. Elephants have two big teeth. These teeth are called tusks. Tusks are long and white. Elephants use their tusks for many things. They help in digging and fighting. Elephants have thick skin. Their skin is very strong. It is also gray in color. There is little hair on their skin. This helps keep them safe from heat and insects. The trunk is very special. Elephants use it to drink water. They also use it to pick up food. The trunk helps elephants grab things easily. Elephants can carry heavy things with their trunk. They use it to lift logs and move objects. This helps them find food and clear their path. Elephants also use their trunks to spray water. They take in water and spray it on their back. This keeps them cool in hot weather. Elephants live in groups called herds. The herd has many female elephants and their babies. They stay together and help each other every day. The leader of the herd is a big female elephant. She is called the matriarch. She is old and knows where to find food and water for the group. Baby elephants stay with their mother and family. They learn how to find food and water. The family helps the baby grow and stay safe from danger. When male elephants grow up, they leave the herd. They live alone or in small groups. They do not stay with the female elephants. Male elephants travel far to find food and water. Sometimes they meet other male elephants. They may stay together for some time before moving again. Male elephants only return to the herd to mate. They do not care for the babies. The female elephants keep the family together and safe. Elephants eat leaves, bark, and roots. They need a lot of food every day. They use their trunks to grab food. Their tusks help them break tree bark and dig for roots. Elephants drink water with their trunks. They suck water into their trunks and spray it into their mouths. They need a lot of water to stay healthy and strong each day. Elephants do not sleep much. They sleep for about 2 hours a day. They often sleep standing up. Sometimes they lie down to rest if they feel safe in the area. Elephants have very good memory. They remember places, other elephants, and dangers. This helps them find food and water and stay away from harm in the wild. Elephants can learn things quickly. They solve problems and use tools. They may use sticks to scratch their backs or throw sand on their skin to stay cool and safe. Elephants are smart animals. They understand sounds, signals, and even people. They also help each other in their groups. They work together to take care of their family. Elephants have many problems today. People destroy forests where elephants live. This makes it hard for elephants to find food and water. Some people hunt elephants for their tusks. These tusks are used to make things from ivory. This illegal hunting is very dangerous for elephants. Elephants need a lot of space, but human cities and farms are growing. When people take more land, elephants have less place to live and roam. Too many people and too little space is a big problem for elephants. When elephants enter farms, people may hurt them to protect their crops. Many groups work to keep elephants safe. Some countries make laws to stop hunting. These rules help reduce harm and protect elephants. Animal parks and reserves help elephants by giving them safe places to live. In these places, people cannot harm them, and they have food and water. Educating people is also important. When people learn about elephants, they understand why it is important to keep them safe and protect their homes. Some groups use new ways to stop elephant hunting. They track elephants using technology. This helps watch elephant movements and stop hunters. People and elephants can live together if humans respect nature. By protecting elephants today, we make sure they will live for many years. Many people want to help elephants. They know elephants are important animals. Some groups work to protect them. They want elephants to live safely. Some countries have rules to stop hunting. These rules help elephants. People cannot take their tusks. This makes hunting elephants illegal in many places. Protecting homes is also important. People stop cutting trees in elephant areas. They make special parks. In these places, elephants live without danger. People also teach others about elephants. When people learn, they want to help. Schools and groups share facts. This helps more people to care. Elephants are part of African culture. Some people believe they bring luck. Others think they show wisdom and strength. Elephants have special meaning. Saving elephants is important. They help nature stay healthy. When people work together, they can protect them. The world needs elephants to stay safe.